Joining me now is the Commissioner for Media, Civic and Public Affairs, Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, Toby Tamuntoye. Mr. Tamuntoye, thank you for joining us on the news tonight. How is the Commission reacting to the voices of opposition against the conduct of this election? Some political stakeholders say conducting this election is a disobedience of court order. I'm sure you followed the protest against the conduct today, and the House of Assembly also writing the Commission to suspend the exercise. How are you reacting to all of this? Mr. Tamuntoye.
Yes, thank you. I can barely hear you, but if it is in respect to the forthcoming October 5th local government election in Rivers State, I can categorically tell you here that the 6th Commission, under the leadership of Honorable Justice Adolphus Enebeli, DSS-RS, retired, is more than committed and resolved to conduct the local government elections come 5th of October 2024. Now, as it relates to the matter that has to do with the courts, firstly, the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission is a creation of the Rivers State House of Assembly. By reason of the fact that it is a creation of the Rivers State House of Assembly, I can tell you categorically here that the Federal High Court do not ab initio have the jurisdiction to even entertain matter relating to stoppage or otherwise of the election. I want to point it clear here to the listening and the hearing of everybody that there is no court order. There is no court order, I repeat, barring us from conducting the local government election coming up on the 5th of October 2024. Reasons being that RSIEC is constitutionally mandated to conduct the local government polls, and the guidelines are there. Everything that we need to do as far as the election is concerned, I can tell you categorically here that we met the condition. All right. We met the condition.
Talking about
election we hold.
Meeting the conditions, Mr. Tamuntoye, which of the voter register are you using for this election? Because INEC has denied handing the document over to the Commission.
We are using the 2023 updated voter register, and that voter register was handed down to the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. Between the months of July to October 2023, there are correspondences to show between RSIEC and INEC, wherein we were granted the permission to have an audience with the resident electoral commissioner. And in that meeting, the chairman of RSIEC and 2 other commissioners and the administrative secretary were in attendance in that meeting. The resident electoral commissioner for Rivers State had 4 of his directors also in that meeting, wherein the approval was granted and the compendium of wards and units in Rivers State was handed down to us. We also have here the distribution of the units across Rivers State and their polling, their voting strength. All this was handed down to us. In respect to the voters register, which is already pasted across all the units in Rivers State now, preparatory for the election, what was handed down to us was not a photocopy from them. It was the soft copy that was handed over to us. I want to tell the world today that we have records. We have records of that meeting, both written. We have also, audio and visual evidence of that meeting, wherein the approval was given and the materials were handed over to us. As a responsible and a responsive body, there is no way we could have gone anywhere to get these documents. This document emanated from the Independent National Electoral Commission. It beats me hollow to hear that after 1st July, when we declared the date for the election to be 5th of October, we have been shouting, we have been telling people that preparatory to the election, we already have the voters register with us. Between that period and the 30th of September, just a few days ago, when that court judgment came out, what happened? What stalled INEC from coming to tell the world that they did not give us that register? Right. I think that is an afterthought. And in all good conscience, INEC cannot stand today to say they did not give us that register. Anyway, be it as it may, I want to state here that the document we have is the 2023 updated voters register handed over to us. I repeat, we have the proofs, we have the evidences, and the appropriate
I hear you clearly.
For the election, we are going ahead to.
I hear you clearly, Mr. Tamun Otoye.
Powers to do that.
It sounds like you're saying the Resident Electoral Commission lied